Let's create a short video covering all the keyframes of gameplay Ayuri. Still, there is room for improvement.
You win!
As we can see that how it's covering all the keyframes with gameplay Ayuri. So we will start by muting the volume, and we will use razor tool to cut the layer. We can also use the step forward and backward button to reach the specific frame you want to edit. Now by cutting tool, cut the layer and select the selection tool. Then right click on the layer and ripple delete the layer. Same razor cutting tool we will use to cut the layer from other side, so we can easily trim the video what we actually need to do. Similarly clear by right click on the layer. As you can see right now I'm just keeping this small video because I can easily practice the keyframe on these small videos, but for YouTube short and reel you can upload up to 59-second video. So it's just for your example. After trimming we will go to sequence settings and make sure the frame size should be 9:16. Right now it is showing 16:9, which is for the long video of YouTube, but we will change it. We will change the value of horizontal and vertical. So you can see our canvas size has become vertical. Now click on FX controls and go to size. Over your mouse cursor on size values, and as you can see, so simply drag it on right side to increase the size of the video. Now hover over the position to adjust the video. You can adjust both vertical and horizontal values. You can also use this option to zoom in and zoom out your program, and it will be comfortable for you to adjust the layer according to your canvas size. Adobe Premiere is not as complicated as we think. We just need to clear our concept so we can do it logically, and I will also share some more tips. You can also see a timeline in this panel, and this timeline is only to create keyframes. You can collapse and expand the view of this timeline from here. You will see in this video that how we will create keyframe in this timeline. To create keyframe we need to click on this clock option of position, which is also called toggle animation. After click you can see as I change the value of horizontal or vertical, so it will automatically create a dot in the timeline. Please subscribe my channel if you like these contents, and I will also keep sharing these types of editing skills and techniques with you. This is one example I am sharing with you. We can do many things with this keyframing position, because this option is very useful to create your video more attractive and more appealing on social platforms. You can also copy these dots from here directly. If you want to paste on the same timeline and you don't want to edit manually again, so now our video has been created. You can check, it's covering all the frames of the gameplay Yuri, and will not skip a single action of this player.
You win! You win!